Happy day traders. I'm making a updated video on RAYALGO, okay? So for futures market, okay? Um this will probably work on every single market, this time horizon setting. Now RAYALGO works on every single market, okay? But for futures, okay, the time horizon that I'm using for futures is 3 on the 1 minute and the 5 minute chart, okay? This time horizon, if you want a little bit more buy and sell prints, is what I recommend. Okay, but test it out because some of you guys are doing crypto. I know that the crypto futures, this is perfect. Number 3. Okay, on time horizon. Some of you guys are doing options. That's fine. Stocks. This should work on every single market for 1 minute and 5 minute charts. But check it out. RAYALGO works on every single, market. It's just I'm just talking about the time horizon, so don't get it confused. So these are the settings: show break of structure, show change of structure. I have those checked off. I have this one not checked. So these are selected. This is not. And then just copy what I have here, guys. Okay. Show trend reversals. I have that chosen. Show order blocks for sure. Order blocks are phenomenal, guys. I take live trades off of order blocks once I get confirmation on a 1 minute chart. Okay. Show wireframe bands. I do not have that selected. Show volatility shadow. I do not have it selected. Show band reaction glow. I don't really like that, so I don't have it selected. If you're trading off of TradingView, definitely have show TP and SL levels, which is your take profit and your stop loss indicator on there. Show panel information. I have that on. Parents, I left this stock the way it comes. It's all default. All right. So there you go. So let's go over today, right, guys? This is how you use RAYALGO. It's really pretty simple. Make sure your order blocks are on. Now, no order blocks are going to show here, obviously, because the market's closed. I'm doing this video at 8:09 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So, let's talk about the sell signals. The sell and the trend reversal are always going to print at the same time. And like right here, this 640 bar, this is where the sell printed, right? The sell indicator and trend reversal is not going to print until the bar closes. Now, whenever I see a sell or a buy signal print, I'm wanting to see if the market is going to pull back. And perfect example, the next bar, the market pulls back and it price rejects right off the 34 EMA, and this is an upside down hammer or shooting star. That's your entry. This is the 1 minute chart NQ market, okay? And then look, the market just tanks down. Now let's look at the reversal on the buy. Buy is a large engulfing candle, momentum candle, and it's also change of structure. You get the buy print. Wait for this market, see if it's going to pull back. It does. It finds support right here. Now your entry is a 727 bar. Why is that? It's an engulfing candle and a large body hammer. And then up she goes. Profitable trade. So my recommendation is use those settings. Use a 1 minute and a 5 minute. My entries are always on a 1 minute, whether I use RAYALGO or not. Okay. And this is for new traders. You have to know some type of information. Okay. You just can't buy an indicator and be like, oh, sell, I'm in, buy, I'm in. No, it doesn't work that way, guys. Bots doesn't work that way. None of that. Doesn't matter how much money you spend, what algo it is, what this, what that. It doesn't matter. You have to know some type of market structure, some market behavior, and you have to know what price action is. What are wicks? What are tells? Where's the open of the candle? Where's the close of the candle? You have to know something, guys. Once you know like the basics of trading, RAYALGO is amazing. And I have a lot of reels. Okay, guys, you can check out those reels. Order blocks are high probability trades, and you can take trades off those order blocks once you get confirmation on the 1 minute chart. I like taking trades on the 1 minute chart because you get in on a good time. You get in a little bit early, or it's just perfect timing, and it's more like a sniper entry. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. If you have any questions, okay, you can message me on epicdaytrading.com. I also do mentorship. So if you're interested, if you're really serious about mentorship, okay, you can contact me there and we can do a free video chat, or we can just text. It doesn't matter. You can also message me on Instagram and Facebook, okay? And if you have any comments on YouTube, you can leave comments. I answer all the comments, okay? And that's about it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. And RAYALGO is great. If you haven't checked out RAYALGO, or if you don't use RAYALGO, I recommend it. It's a no-brainer. RAYALGO.com. 20% discount code will be in the description, guys. Okay? I hope you guys are being profitable, and follow for more. Take care, guys.